Hey folks, Brad Young with Landmark Credit Repair. This is 3 facts you need to know about credit monitoring apps. Number 1 is false and inaccurate credit scoring. I had a client that went to a mortgage company and they said that she only had a 580 credit score. On the monitoring app, it said she had a 680. That's a 90 points difference. So you want to make sure and get your mortgage score or your car score, depending on what you're trying to do with your credit. So this monitoring apps is very inaccurate and false credit scoring. Number 2, disputing. Online monitoring apps and online disputing is the worst way to dispute. When you dispute online, you can only do these drop-down options of not mine, never late. So you're very limited in doing disputes online. The FCRA, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, allows you to dispute the completeness or the accuracy of an account. There's a lot of things entailed in that. So we want to make sure to work with a company that understands how to use the law for your advantage. The worst way to dispute is online. Plus, it's cheaper to dispute online, I get that, but disputing online is the worst way. Literally through our company, we dispute everything by mail and it costs more money, but it yields you greater results. Number 3 is marketing platform. These apps are marketing platforms. That's why when you go on the apps, they offer you a credit card, this and that. So you want to make sure to get your actual reports from Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. These monitoring apps can actually have like say 5 bad accounts. But if you actually go to the credit reporting agency website, you could have 10 bad accounts. So to actually know what's on your report, you want to go to the direct sources, not these monitoring apps. So now that you know the truth about these credit monitoring apps, don't make the same mistake and rely upon this information. Click on the link below or give us a call for your free consultation. Have a blessed day.